Hi, today Silas is going to be camping. And first part of the day, camping in the Dragon Woods, you need to eat a good breakfast.
Yep.
Show us what you'll be eating for breakfast, Silas. What is that?
Bacon.
Bacon? What else you got there? Croissant.
Croissant.
More bacon. Ooh, an over easy egg. Okay, Silas is also going to be fishing today.
No! I'm eating chocolate.
Eating chocolate for breakfast? No. Ooh, cereal with blueberries. Okay, Silas also likes to check out bugs. He does need to wear his glasses so he can see better. He's got a magnifying glass. He also plays guitar and harmonica. Oh, did we lose it? What are you going to do next for the day, Silas?
Fight a dragon, I want to.
How about we go fishing?
Yes.
All right, let's get our fishing pole.
Bah.
What color is your fishing pole, Silas?
Wait, what? I don't know.
I think it's by your tent, by the guitar. There it is. Let's make sure we stand so we can reach those fishes at the waterfall. Woohoo! What color is that fish? Green. Yellow next. Careful of that waterfall, you don't want to fall in. Purple fish, get it! Don't fall into the waterfall, Silas! The Dragon Woods are so dangerous.
It's so hard.
Okay, Purple, last one. Get that fish. You need something to eat for dinner. Oh my goodness. Very good job. You just had breakfast. Are you going to have dinner already? You could look through your binoculars or play your guitar or look for bugs. Okay, eating food. Oh, did you already cook those? I don't think you even turned on your grill. Turn that guy on. You cook the fish. That'll be some really raw fish. Don't burn yourself.
Do you want any more fishes?
I think you got them all. Oh, watch out for that plane. Whoa, it's shaking. All right, are they done cooking?
No.
Nope, not yet.
I want to
Really crusty. You mean crispy?
Yeah.
Okay, some crispy fish. Good job.
All done.
All done. Yeah, make sure we turn off the grill so we don't get burned and start fires.
Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3 was only it. Cook those again.
Oh, we gotta cook them again? Okay.
Not done yet. All done.
Okay.
They're all crispy.
I'm glad you wore your boots for fishing in the water.
Time to get this.
You gonna eat? How about you put them on a plate or a bowl or something? Okay. I guess we are in the woods. We don't need to be eating off of anything special except our spoon. Okay, do you want to play the guitar now or the harmonica? I'm sure it's getting a little bit late.
I didn't eat.
It's getting late, so we probably got to take a little nap soon. Okay, what else are we doing? Okay, let's do something we're supposed to hear. Harmonica, guitar, bugs. Don't get hurt out in the woods, Silas. You're supposed to stay in here playing. Can't go running through the trees without your helmet on.
Bugs.
You want to get some bugs? You need your glasses. I don't think you can see little bugs without your glasses, right?
I could see.
Okay, let's see. Oh, you're going to use binoculars. Well, you probably need to put your glasses on if you want to see through your binoculars.
It's hard.
Don't you have pretty bad eyesight?
I don't see them. I don't see the glasses. Here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Dr. Silas.
Wow.
Dr. Blue Boy?
No.
You need your magnifying glass?
Wait. What magnifying glass? So, but.
You always pack your magnifying glass when you go on your camping trips.
So I'm doing this, but I'm gonna get some tweezers too, and they're a little bit hard to get, and they're bad bugs.
That's right. Show us your tweezers. Good job. Good doctor. Ooh, it's getting really late. We should hurry and play our guitar and harmonica. We weren't able to find any bugs because of your bug repellent.
What? Okay, where is it?
Okay, let's play the harmonica or the guitar, and then we need to get to bed quick. Okay, it's getting late. Is it almost time for you to go to bed, Silas?
Yep.
Is that how you hold your guitar? Oh, Silas, it's really late. You better get in your tent. I hear dragons play in the woods here. You better get in your tent. Hurry. Off to bed.
Let's close it.
Okay. Silas is going to be sleeping in here.
Shut it. Take it down. Do I need to go to sleep?
It is nighttime. Don't you think it's time to sleep? Show us your cat boy. Are you sleeping with cat boy? Keep you safe from the dragons? Oh no! There's the dragon! Save us, Silas! Save us! Kill the dragon!
Ouch! You hurt me. Where's my bandage?
He bit you? Get your band-aid on. Oh, good job. Keep fighting. Kill him. Oh, get him one more time. Oh, jeez. You got him. Oh, he's still breathing. Get him.
Which?
Stab him. Oh.
Got him.
Oh, my goodness. Silas the hero. Did you have a fun day camping? Even though you had to fight a dragon? Thanks for watching, guys. Blue Boy TV.
Blue Boy TV.
Come see us again later. We're going to be baking a cake for Mommy's birthday.
Hit